How to upload on TikTok without losing quality. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to upload on TikTok without losing quality. Start by opening the TikTok application on your phone. Then tap on the plus icon located in the middle of your screen. Choose the upload option and select the videos or pictures you want to share without losing quality. Once you've made your selection, swipe right to check the pictures and tap on Next. Next, tap on More Options where you will find the settings to upload with high quality. Finally, tap on Post. Once your content is posted, you can verify that it's been uploaded in high quality without any loss of resolution. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.